today I will be doing a wig install by LuvmeHair. Alright, so today I got the Balayage Ombre Blonde Glueless T-Part Simple Lace Loose Wave 20 inches. So I went in and tinted the lace and tinted my knots, as you can see here. It's still a little damp, don't worry about it. Now we're going to cut the sides. So now we're going to start to glue our lace down. And ladies, you want to make sure your glue is very clear, meaning it is dry. I'm going to do 2 layers. Now we're going to do baby hairs. Let's get into these baby hairs. So we're going to take our strips. Okay guys, we're going to do a cute little pin back look. We're going to take a little bit. So we're going to use a little bit of olive oil gel. We're going to take a little bit of the back hair. People use bobby pins, but you wanted it to stay, okay? I'm going to pull it.